Okay, so we're pretty much done here. We've learned a lot about theme development. We've covered all of the bases, and we've even gone further and learned best practices and really reached into understand exactly what's important, what's critical, and even added a few nice tricks like custom fonts and things like that. So we've got a complete theme here for the most part, and you could build on this if you wanted. But what I want to show you here is how to kind of package it up so that you can kind of reuse it in your other WordPress sites, or kind of, once you have a theme that you're happy with, you can even sell it on a certain website. So to do this, what you want to do is go over to your WP content folder and then go to themes. And then you've got your custom theme folder. This is where all of your custom theme code is sitting. If you wanted to add to it, you could, or start over from scratch, that'd be fine too, and just kind of take what you've learned and create your own custom theme. But once you're done, what you want to do is right-click on the folder name itself of the theme, and you want to just download that. Basically, you want to grab all of those files and folders that are inside of there, download them, and then what you want to do, I'm going to do this on a Mac just to show you. If I open this up, and I go to my downloads folder, I can double click this and it unzips it into the folder of the actual kind of theme contents itself, right? And then from here on a Mac, I can right click and say compress. Let's see, compress custom theme. And if I do that, I'll get a zipped version of it. Okay, and on Windows, you can use tools like WinZip. So Windows may have some default zipping tools, but there's also software like WinZip. So if you search WinZip, you can find these compression programs. There's a lot of different ones out there. But anyway, your goal here is to kind of zip it up. So you take it in its folder form. So you grab all the files from Cloud9, take it in its folder form, and you zip it up. So it looks like that. And now you can use the zip version however you want. And let me show you what I mean by that. So if I go over here and log into our admin section, so wp-admin, no matter which WordPress install you're using, you can always go to Appearance and then go to the Themes place. And if you hit Add New and say Upload Theme right here, it'll say if you have a theme in .zip format, you may install it by uploading it. And all you have to do is click Choose File and then find the zipped version and hit Install. And it'll install it, it'll unzip it for you and add it to the server. All it's doing is just placing it inside of the themes folder exactly like you see it here. So if you have FTP access to your server where your WordPress sites are hosted, you could just kind of manually put each file and folder in like that. Or you could do the zipped process that I just showed you, where you zip it up and then you go into your admin section and you add it like this. So once you've done that, you're pretty much good to go. You've packaged up your theme and you can now redistribute it. And I wanted to show you, there's websites like ThemeForest. If I search ThemeForest in Google, you'll find websites where you can sell your own themes. And there's probably many marketplaces like this where you can sell your own themes. So once you've created a theme, if you create one that's really great and just has a lot of awesome features right out of the box, it's very high quality, looks good, then you can sell it and you can probably make quite a bit of money if it takes off. So, just keep that in mind as well. It's not just for kind of creating your own custom look and feel. I think that's the most important benefit of having these skills. But there are a lot of theme developers out there who make a living just creating themes and then selling them. So that's how you do it. You want to zip up your file and then you can redistribute it by adding it to any WordPress install that you have or by selling it over here. Now, we're going to wrap up here, and I really appreciate you taking the time to learn this stuff. I'm really glad that you did and made it this far. You should be proud of yourself. You've learned quite a bit. And I'm going to leave you with a checklist where you can kind of mark off the essentials when you're building a theme. I'm going to leave you with a checklist. It's not necessarily going to be an all-encompassing checklist of everything you need. Everybody's theme is going to be different and unique, but it is going to be a nice exhaustive checklist for you to mark off the essentials. And I'm also going to show you the main websites to go to, like Codex and developer.wordpress.org, where you can kind of read about stuff and dig into functions and things like that, the stuff that we had covered as we built our theme. So again, thanks a lot for your time. I really appreciate you taking the time to learn this stuff. You know, I'm really passionate about teaching programming, and I really, truly hope you got a lot out of this. I hope I was able to break this stuff down for you and make it pretty clear for you, or at least clearer, so that you know how to kind of build themes and kind of customize your own WordPress site. So anyway, take these skills, go apply them, and I wish you the best of luck. I hope you do some great things with the themes that you build. Thank you.